Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop on the Windows Server 2019 machine. Open System Properties, choose Allow Remote Connections, and enable network-level authentication. Once done, make sure the server uses a static IP or DHCP reservation so routing stays stable, and open TCP port 3389 in Windows Defender Firewall for inbound traffic. Also, create or verify a user account in the Remote Desktop Users group, set a strong password, and confirm the account isn't locked out or expired before moving on. Now you harden access. Bind an SSL certificate to the RDP service to avoid weak encryption. If you need public access, use a CA-issued certificate. Next, restrict which source IPs can connect by creating firewall rules or, preferably, require a site-to-site or client VPN so the server isn't exposed directly. Then, configure session limits and idle timeout policies in Group Policy to protect resources, and test a connection internally first to validate certificate trust and firewall behavior before remote attempts. You complete the process by launching MSDSC or the Remote Desktop app, enter the server IP or hostname, provide the domain /username, and accept the certificate if it's trusted. If it fails, inspect Event Viewer under Applications and Services logs Microsoft Windows Terminal Services for errors. Confirm Windows Firewall allows TCP 3389, verify the listener with Netstat, and ensure any VPN is active. A key troubleshooting tip: if RDP errors persist, restart the Remote Desktop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.